Today we are going to talk about the final element of art, space. On a 3x5 note card or larger, please write the definition of space. On the top of the note card, list the word space, then below it, write the definition. The distances of areas around, between, and within the different components of an artwork. Space is often used to create the illusion of depth within an artwork. Although space can be demonstrated and represented in many different ways throughout an artwork, today we're going to focus on creating space by using key components such as overlapping, variation, and continuation. Please list those words below the definition of space and provide drawn examples of each one. Overlapping is when one shape or object appears to be on top of the other. Variation is when you use small, medium, and large sizes of different shapes and objects within your artwork. Continuation is when a shape or image appears to be falling off the side of the paper. Flip your note card over to the blank side. Draw a character in the foreground of your picture. Please place your character in the bottom right corner of the image. Notice how the character is not touching the side or bottom of the note card. If you are unsure about how to draw a certain character, use the internet and Google as a resource to look up different images to work from. When you are done drawing your character, add a ground line continuing off the side and bottom of the paper. Next, address the middle ground of the image, creating a horizontal line across the center of the paper. In my case, because I have an alien character, I decided to add a rocket ship in the middle ground of my design. This not only ties to my character, but it adds visual interest in the middle space of the artwork. Finally, address the background of the artwork. Again, think of a design that ties in with the theme and the character that you first started with. Be sure to use variation during this step. Remember, variation is small, medium, and large sizes of different shapes and objects. In my case, I added some swirly type circles throughout the sky background that I designed. This would count as using variation within my image. Do a quick visual check to make sure you have all the required design components. Do you have overlapping, variation, continuation? If not, go back and add it in. Using a black, ultra-fine tip Sharpie marker, outline your pencil drawing. This is an optional step, but I highly recommend completing it. Erase away any remaining pencil lines once you are done. Using assorted coloring supplies such as colored pencils, markers, or whatever else you may have at home, carefully and neatly color in your design fully. Once you have completed your artwork, please publish a photo to Artsonia under the Elements of Art project. Then, mark the assignment as turned in within Google Classroom.